And we're back. It's Mr. Kingsbury with question 2 on the Unit 2 example question set. We have this problem. A store sells bags of pecans for $1, bags of walnuts for $1.50, and bags of almonds for $2. One day, 22 bags of nuts were sold and $62 was earned for the sales. 12 more bags of walnuts were sold than pecans. Write a system of equations that could be solved to find the number of bags of each type of nut sold. And I went ahead and defined the variables for you. P is the number of bags of pecans sold, W is the number of bags of walnuts, and A is the number of bags of almonds. So for starters, it says 22 bags were sold. That means if I take P and W and A and add them up, I should get 22. Next up then, we also have that their value is 62. Now in order to find value, we're going to have to use a modifier. That's when you take a variable and you multiply it by something, and usually a unit rate, and that changes the unit. So these are all bags. Bags of pecans, bags of walnuts, bags of almonds. It says here that we have these prices: $1 a bag, $1.50 a bag, $2 a bag. So when I take $1 per bag and multiply it by P bags, the result is the unit is money. So that's how much P bags of pecans would be worth. Walnuts are $1.50, so 150 W. That's how much W bags of walnuts would be worth. And then we've got $2 for our almonds, so 2A will be how much our almonds are worth. When we take how much they're all worth and put it together, there was $62. Lastly, then we have this one. 12 more bags of walnuts were sold than pecans. Now, the English here is not good. It's very different from how we write it in math symbols. The 12 more part actually is on the wrong side. If we just look right here, we know that more bags of walnuts were sold than pecans. That means if I wrote walnuts, the number of bags of walnuts was equal to the number of bags of pecans, I would be wrong. This would not be true. There would be more walnuts than there would be pecans. In fact, there would be 12 more bags, which means in order to make this true, I would need to add 12 more bags of pecans. That would be my final equation there. Cool.